Welcome. In this video I will show you how to increase fan speed on your LG Gram laptop. In order to increase your fan speed, you're gonna need to install a dedicated application from LG, which you can download by first of all connecting to the internet, and then open the search field or the start menu on your laptop and search for LG Update Installer. Run the LG Update Installer to install the LG Update application. Then you can open the LG Update app and let it check for available updates. Once it finishes checking, you will get the list of essential apps for your computer. You can either install them all, or if you only need this feature, you can install the LG Smart Assistant application, which is responsible for that. And using the LG Smart Assistant application, let it check, so I can close it before it does. Okay, so using the LG Smart Assistant application, you can change the fan speed of your laptop by switching it from silent to low to normal to high by selecting the respective options on the home screen page of this application. Besides, you can also, once you install this application and restart your PC, you'll also be able to use shortcuts for the same purpose. One shortcut: press and hold F1 button and press Q button alongside with it to switch your fan speed. And this way, by selecting high performance mode, your fan speed will increase significantly. And by setting the silent mode, your fan speed will be the lowest one, and this way your PC will stay quiet. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.